Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The very first one is using a secret code and the dialer, and the second is using the settings. So of course I will show you both options. So maybe let's begin with the secret code. So let's open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the IMEI number of this device and also a serial number. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another option. So it is using the settings. Let's go back and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Tablet. And as you can see, actually on the very first page we've got the serial number of this device and also an IMEI number. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.